My people, a good morning, good afternoon, a good evening. For today, I dey for location. When I can monitor water connector. We want for viewer from the talk show. Big Oga water connector man make it do for us now. Come monitor for today. In front of me, na the Oga water connector man. Oga, good afternoon.
Yeah, good morning, and good afternoon, and good evening, country people.
Me want to talk to you, so. My name is Saboyan. What about your name?
My name now Obina.
The water connector man. So what? Okay, what day and the work we want to view and give you now come monitor for today. You want to take me there around the work when I don't finish or you see day on it before you take me there around the work. Okay, water connector man, we take let time of you patronize you to this our channel, particularly the one will give you this job.
I would say I can say thank you for giving me this opportunity to do this job for him, because he see my videos, he say he like my work. So he can't give me this opportunity. I do the work for him. I really thank him for believing me. So I work with the do now on progress now. So now and the ones that we don't patronize me, God will bless you now. And people won't even come patronize me, won't patronize me, God will bless, go give them money. We go give me bring home. We can do the work for now. I agree to the house.
Our viewer, before you give it our client to call our number today on top of this video. So, Oga water connector man, we go start. I know say your boys they see they up, they never see through. You will see take me rather me I see how far. I know they go.
I want to show my people. You know, say sometimes you know every time they show person see.
Yes.
The things why they talk, I want to show them just small. I show around, make you see what they talk for video, all the items why they describe, the hangers and everything, make you see them. So you know, say exactly what I talk. Now I bring concept. I know be carry they talk much. Say this one needed. And the concept I no go bring them. So this one I just see your eye. They never put them. The one we never fix yet. Make you see IB. So
that one they call see is believing.
See is believing. So me concept today now. Like I talk. You see that hanger why I talk. Now we dey 9 day set so
yes.
Why they talk why I say 4-4. We dey put on 4-4. So now we dey put for up so.
Okay.
So I dey talk now. You dey 9 day site. So there's also some people that say they use them. They don't go bring them. They go hide them. And they call they use on that simple for you.
Yes.
And so they show you say see now life we dey do them for year.
Yes.
They strip and one by one. See the long screw why they talk about. Now be this. See the hanger we talk about will be 4-4. Now be this. Now you okay grant.
Okay.
See the silicone gum why they talk.
Okay, the silicone gum where they already talk.
Now be this one, black silicone gum. And I be this one. So I know be scary they talk. And the Ambro gum, this is one of them. If they come out. So see the concrete knee.
Okay, the concrete knee.
So why the small screw where you see the elbow.
Okay.
You see the elbow, and I be talk. Those are where you see the elbow. But if you see the elbow, you can wrap them, cover them. And I be this one. So
it's alright.
Yes, sir. So it's why the gutter, the mouth of the gutter be very wide. Very wide. So you can accommodate water well. So at the pipe.
Okay, the pipe.
So at the gutter, you see, mouth be very wide. So I will be hide them. I think it's for there like that.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So we go take us from here. I know say. That pipe when they show us now, they come inside.
This one, so
yeah, this very one.
The so we don't split the funnel. We know they carry the pool funnel like that.
Yes.
We will walk down, we will put water. We see a slope go like this. We can put the funnel, the pipe there. Now we but we will put a letter. So now we put small for here.
It's alright. What they take out they go?
Okay, sir.
Because I see your boy they cut something just now. Like say this artwork.
This artwork. Yeah.
Okay, before now be the crack and now I can use machine.
They cut and
I see the washes.
No see.
Nah, see.
Okay, sir.
Okay, now this one ain't cut come for inside this one.
This one is cut for inside. Maybe this one.
Oh, good.
Yes. This one very neat. You know affect the other.
You not go affect
the other ones.
The artwork.
Yeah. So.
Okay. This one first dropping the color.
First dropping. No sir, we don't screw them. Screw them. We screw all corners. We screw there, screw this side, screw up there, screw that side. Everywhere now we screw.
Okay.
And then now you got the screw one now. So now you just do now for you.
Okay, the one with screw yes.
So let me make the whole and strong.
Okay, now the concrete maybe this one is the knack.
For the wall. Now be this one.
Okay, me will make kaka.
For wall.
Okay.
So on the outer, you see how
Okay, this one will be the outer.
Just if they screw arm, screw arm for under, screw arm for there, screw arm for under. So anything we concern this thing and screwing, just screw 9
Okay.
So even this one, dropping. Those are exactly what you do for year.
Nicely.
For year.
Good.
Scrolling. Our job now scrolling job.
Okay.
Why we say now
scrolling, yeah.
Yes. Screw the funnel, screw the elbow, screw the clip, then screw the elbow, and we want with it down. Then screw the clip for here.
Make for tight.
Make for tight. Screw here. Make for tight.
There they go.
Yes, sir.
You can also must there on it.
Yes. You see they on progress. Yes, sir.
So that's why I come here. I come monitor the work.
And that's why I say make you come. Don't be every time finished up. Maybe
you see how to tell it. Okay.
I see the program. You understand? So make you say yes. You are here live.
Good.
You see everything they use. Everything, so they see everything, the schooling, everything. Not be say you talk about math. You see them. You they still say yes. This all these women that they talk. He did decide. So,
okay, maybe once it's through there, then go come
finish this place. Hold the pipe.
Okay, all the dropping will still come here.
Your just dropping now. Two go dey back here.
Yes.
One go dey here. You go cut am. One go dey that side. Cause this place now 10 dropping.
Okay, 10.
So make water dey circulate where it might be a bit things.
They go. But everything go through today.
You go through today, yes. You understand? Just if you just do that pipe, you finish. Within 2 hours time, you are done with the job here.
No problem.
2 hours time. So even the people see to find this place later.
Okay, now they do the console.
Yeah, now you do the console.
Something for this drilling move front.
Okay, sir.
Okay, they take break now, make them fair eat.
Yes, sir.
Before they continue.
Yes, sir.
I know. Okay, now this now they come here.
Don't measure them. Hey, come and show you something else. You see, you hanger. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay, as you talk, I say now 4.
So
okay.
maybe they can talk for maths. So maybe the same thing. 4 here. See the joiner, with the joiner here. Maybe this one.
Yes.
So this one I will take finish this place.
Okay, finish this.
They
don't arrange them for
down. So make it just they can't do. They don't.
Okay. No, they look the rest ago.
See, we don't pull funnel for here. Very soon don't pull the dropping. Come down. Cut down like that. Come down. Yes, sir.
It's alright. So now they enjoy.
No,
I'm gonna round up. Okay. Okay, like all this front now. Now let one dropping over there.
One dropping over there.
Okay, that one where you see this one.
Yes,
okay. You go hold on without no pull.
No pull. No, because we shake them. So.
Okay, you go first, no?
Okay, sir.
Okay, my people, Oga water connector man will take me around the walk now. Soon I remember going through with the work. So Oga water connector man, like how much cost you and to do this for this very house?
Okay, now I'm out here to do this job, both the labor, both the transport. 300,000 naira.
Okay, labor, the transport, or
the materials,
and the material,
the labor, the transport, everything. For the contracts, I take carry on.
Okay, contract work.
Contract work because because the could say because give you the person they fix and bring the right material come for you. Make it say yes. Now you use the hands bring a come fix am for you. So all the job we see for the nets, now that's how they do them. To carry the material come with the labels, everything we all do for site. Exactly the right material and everything. I did there, sir.
In case of other people come across this walk through our channel, exactly like this house. You visit what the same price we do this one?
Yes, exactly. Because in a lot say now from EDO talk show.
Yes.
Their prices go they different from outside because for them to take their time to view our videos.
Yes.
Now very that's now one of the best thing to do there, and I'm really appreciative on that. So I know the correct because I give you a fair, reasonable price. You say yes, if you connect me to other your friends, people who want to patronize us. So this work now, you see, everything, because it good make the show people. And so many don't say yes. You dey rest assured say what you when they bring on site and what you talk now you go bring. Because this my work, I know the manage material now 10 dropping. Yes, and 10 dropping. And so dynamic and so that if you corner too much, I increase them to 12. If you corner like this kind of corner where I talk now. If you don't too much, like if you say you reach like 10, 15, I'll increase them to 12. So now you'll be the thing, sir.
You could call your number when you have to reach you.
My number now 070 69 78 65 09.
Another number they will fit reach you.
Yes, sir.
Quick Russian.
080 33 88 46 11.
My people, I great some of time to watch this video.
I get it, sir.